welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Mary. For my returning service, welcome back. So today's vlog is gonna be a grocery haul and deep cleaning the fridge, then organizing. That's basically what we're gonna be doing today. So I went shopping yesterday. It was really late, so I couldn't show you the haul. So I'm gonna show you quickly what I got for the month. So yeah, first off, I got first bag. It's really heavy. I got these cornflakes cereals. I wanna try these ones. I've never tried them before, so I wanted to try on these. I got ketchup fried tea bags. One of my fave chocolate hoops cereal also. I got milk. Got 7 of them, if I'm not wrong. I got 7. Then I got Ribena. I got this blackcurrant and strawberry. Then I got the blackcurrant one. You know, Lala. Then tropical, mango. Then quincha pineapple juice. So the Ribena. Oops. I got canned sodas. I got Sprite and Coca-Cola. Then I also got more milk. Oh Lala. Drinking chocolate. Then I got hot and sweet tomato sauce. No, hot and sweet. Sprite. Then I got Wico. Onto the next bag. I think this has toiletries, so let me just finish up with foodstuffs, then we go to toiletries. Oops. I got chocolate, the value pack, this one. Not chocolate, ice cream, oh my god. Then I got these cute containers. Then Minute Maid. Then I got yogurt. I got this spray bottle for yogurt. Then flavored milk. I got the coffee one. Then I got Oreos. This banana flavor. Then chocolate. More milk. I love tea, so I get milk because I love tea, so that I can make tea whenever I like or I want. Zesta, jam, yogurt, vinegar, and lastly I got these food colors. This is orange, this is green, and this is strawberry. So I'm planning on making what's it called, biryani, so that will come in handy. Then gum, I got this chicken pops. I got, is it 4, 6, 2, 3. Then I got beef sausages. Then I got beef brawn, 2. More chicken pops. More beef brawn. I got drumsticks. Also got cherry tomatoes. I got lettuce and onions. So that is that. So I'm gonna quickly remove this, then show you the toiletries that I got. So yeah, I bought sausages. I have yogurt. We have like juice, Minute Maid. We have Zesta. We have ice cream. We got flavored milk. We have that milk, and we also have the canned soda. I have the cereals. I have the chocolate hoops, then ketepa, what is it called, tea bags, then cherry tomatoes, then the drumsticks, and we have hooks. Here we have chicken pops and beef brawn. Then these are my eggs. So yeah. toiletries. I got bar soap. That's 2 meningai bar soap. I got these sponges. I got this 5-liter liquid detergent. The last time I got the same and it lasted like 5 months, so it's nice and it's super affordable because the small one, like the kachupa one, goes for around 200 and to last like less than a month, so it's economical. Besides, this is 500 bob. So yeah, garbage bags. I also got washing powder. I got baking soap. It's a lovely lotion. Okay. Star Soft Velvet air freshener, the lavender one. You can tell I love lavender. Lavender. Oh, I thought this was lavender, but it's okay. It's okay, no problem. And this hair cream, it's really love dandruff and it smells amazing. So yeah, and got these two Vaselines for my bag. And kitchen paper towels. I got sanitary pads. I got this soft care baby wipes. I got the 10 rolls. I got tissue paper, and I got Scarlet velvet. And I got these hangers. I'm yet to figure out how I'm supposed to like hang them, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. So yeah, after this I'll be going to the market to get like tomatoes, green bell peppers and such, and I'll see you later when I get back with the green groceries. So yeah, that's all for now.